What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and today I'm here with the air flare doctor, Mr. Peter Dim.
What's up? Welcome to the air flare clinic.
We're here at the legendary Fair Oaks Park, and as you can hear, there's chicken noises. Those are real, authentic chickens.
Real.
I heard that chickens help you do air flares.
That's right.
That's why we chose this park.
That is why the chicken crossed the road, ladies and gentlemen, to get air flares.
Since our last video, I've been practicing air flares at least once a week, sometimes 2, 3, 4 times a week. A lot of it's been like building up my strength. My catch arm is good, but my throw arm kind of sucks.
So your throw arm is weak. That's what you're saying?
Throw arm is weak.
Oh wow, okay.
Because I do freezes on my right arm. So
Okay.
the catch arm is good, throw arm is bad. So I've been trying to strengthen it and kind of just get my form better. But it's still, my air flare is still kind of high, and I've been trying to do it from swipe, and it's landing a little bit harsh. The first one is just like how we learn or how we practice. Like I would just train like slow, like going, like walking over.
Yeah.
But I'm still like super high. So then I started doing it from a swipe. I might need to warm up a little bit for that one.
Yeah.
So I've been doing it from a swipe, but the other one, I feel like it's kind of a cheap air flare, but like I try to go from here.
Oh man,
like
yeah,
that.
That's not a cheat at all. That's
Oh,
the
it's not?
hard one.
Oh.
That's the one freaking Arrow does.
Oh really?
Yeah.
See that? Yeah, that's the one. Like I feel more confident doing it from there.
Yeah.
It's just like maybe it's still in my head, like getting it like to that point, but from here.
Can you do that one arm one again? The one arm start one again?
Yeah.
Are you warmed enough to like really go for it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. So right leg. You notice how close your leg was to you on your right leg?
Yeah.
I want you to bring it even closer.
Closer.
Be ready for it though. It's gonna be a little scary, but be ready for it. Oh shit. All right. So
I felt like I went a lot higher that time.
Yeah. So here's the other point. So you have, it looks like you have the pop for that, right?
Yeah.
You for dang sure have like the flexibility. Now it's your starting arm. You remember how we were talking about before how when you do windmills, if you hold your arms up like here, and when you do windmills, it'll push you down to here?
Yeah.
Something like that. So we compensate. We hold it up higher so that when gravity holds you down, it only pulls you here. Same thing for the air flare start. If you start here, when you're learning an air flare, when you start here, as you're trying to turn over, your butt will dip. So we compensate and we hold it a little higher.
Yeah.
So on that start, how you're starting, are you like here?
I feel like I'm like at a 90 degree.
Okay, so as you're starting, see if you can push it up like this.
Oh, okay.
Because once you let go, it'll be back where you want it to be. And that's how you get the butt over your head more. Yeah.
Yeah, see, the other problem I had too was like this
Yeah.
is easy, but this, like, not so easy.
Do the shoulder thing. So on this side, you're like this. On this side, you're like this. See? Yeah, that side, you're like your shoulder, everything is fully propped up and extended. And this side was only here.
Like here? Oh.
Yeah. See? Already the balance is like a little better. Better?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's an angle thing for you.
So try to throw higher.
Yeah, set higher. We'll call it set higher. Set first. Set. Better?
It felt lighter.
Yeah, because you were like this.
Oh.
It's like you started yourself up here, so when you let go, it sank a little. Versus here, it sank all the way down.
Yeah.
So it's all about the freeze first, because if you can see it too, like, I'll show you what you did. So the first one, you kept at that 90 degree angle. So you went here, 90 degree. Right? Yeah. And then you went higher on this one, you set up like this. You're like, boom, 90 degree. Boom. See, it's all like where you set. A little scary this way, but it's kind of crazy.
All right, let's try this.
Yeah, it's lighter, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. Open your chest, then swing. Because right now,
From down here?
from down there, that's okay. We can do this with no momentum. You'll just get strong. That's the consequence, getting strong. Whatever.
Shucks.
You're gonna put your hand here, whipping your legs, and see how your chest is aimed to the floor. You're whipping your chest and your hand at the same time. So there's a lot of distance to travel. Like you're the floor, right? And I'm going pretty much 360 to catch. Versus holding here, open the chest, and as the chest is there, it's like one of those games where it makes it hit in a cycle, like doot, 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 like that. So that's what you're doing. You're going chest, and then boom. That's only 180 degrees to go. A lot less.
So open up and then throw.
Yeah, open up then throw. High first. Yeah. How do you feel? One word.
I felt better.
Better? Okay.
Try again.
So higher chest throw. High chest throw. Woo. Dude, that's good. If you can.
That landing felt better.
Yeah, it's light, right?
Yeah.
So, and then this leg, here's like another tip I got from Freakazoid. He said, you draw a circle with this leg. Yeah, because that's that leg you started with to do that.
Yeah.
So by drawing that circle, it's easier to like, it's all power moves. It does a swoop, swooping in the air. So instead of kicking to your face and kicking out, you kick inward towards your face and it'll pop out. Yeah, but your leg and your arm does the same thing, I guess.
Yeah.
yeah, just thought about that. It's a big whoa. Whoa.
Alright, let's try this.
Try this. Ooh, how was that?
Whoa. That felt good. Let me try it again.
Would you be willing to try that from a standing position?
Like from here?
Mm-hmm. Make sure your set arm, your pushing arm, is planted into the ground. Like you're trying to push to China. That's how strong you're holding it there. Yeah, so it's not like super relaxed where I'm just gonna throw and hopefully I make it. No, it's set. Like it's pretty solid. And because it's solid, I'm able to chest, arm.
Okay.
So plant, chest, arm.
Plant, chest, arm.
Yeah. We'll worry about whip later. It goes plant, chest, arm. Plant, chest.
Oh shoot.
Ooh. Plant, chest, arm. Ooh. I think I'm getting scared. So it doesn't.
Do I need a pike?
No. The pike happens as a result of the movement.
Oh.
So you're not trying to hold the pike, because if you hold the pike, then you'll do a popping air flare. But you're not trying to do that right now.
Yeah. Oh, so I think I need to plant longer?
Yeah, so you plant longer, and as your waist is turning, it'll peel this hand off the floor for you. So I'm actually not taking the arm off. Once it gets peeled off because two reasons. Waist turns it, so it could be my floor. So it's here, my waist turns, and it peels the arm off. Then I open the chest some more. See, so I never actually lifted up my hand. It all did it for me.
Oh.
And then that's when I know, oh, it's time to go. So I'll plant, but I'll just throw my arm like right away.
Okay.
Good. Here. Like, yeah, it's high. I can kind of make it.
Yeah.
But then it was jagged.
Yeah,
it felt jagged. But then it's like a chain reaction. 1, 2, 3. So it goes. I'm just gonna stay on two arms as long as I can too.
Okay.
So it's here.
Plant.
1, 2, 3.
Plant, chest, arm.
Yeah, nice and steady. Plant, chest. Waist, open. There we go. How'd that feel?
It felt good, but I felt like I was super high.
So it's okay, man. Look at pocket. You stay high forever. Boom. Oh, I see it. Okay. So your whipping leg, I think it's your right leg. So you don't have to swing it. Not yet. Okay. We'll swing later, but it's so high up there. It's not providing counterweight. So like this is your right leg, my left leg. So what you're doing, once you get up, you keep it up there so there's no counterweight. So you relax this leg so it can hang downward so that it'll help turn your waist. So so I'm not whipping, I'm just leaving it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, so because this arm is being pulled this direction for me and this leg's being pulled that way.
Yeah.
So that I can hang and I'm like, okay, I need to turn.
I got it in my head.
Yeah.
Just making it come to.
Yeah, we're calibrating it, processing it. Let's see. Hang. Ooh, a little better, right? Yeah. Boom. Yeah, that was good. down, and that's where this arm, I feel like this arm is losing like
control,
losing focus. It's like you put it down, you plant it, and then it kind of just relaxes, and you start thinking about this. This has to be planted. Like you're always mindful of this arm. This arm is there. That's the only thing keeping you up. So as it's there, even though you think of your leg, this arm is always pushing. Like push. How'd that feel? Stable, right? Stabler, yeah. Push, open. Yeah.
All together. Is that poop?
Hope not. That's poop. Okay, let's move over.
Don't air flare on poop. Kids.
Don't air flare on poop. Unless you're really good. Like really good. Your arm movement it looks not confident. Like there's a hesitation. So when you go for the open, you go for the catch. You don't wait for the catch to go all the way around to catch it like this. You just tell yourself, I'm planting and I'm opening to catch. So it's not open then catch, it's open to catch. So that because like then you transfer how stable this arm is. It goes stable right away. Yeah, so yours looks like stable. I'm not sure. Okay, well, now I'm gonna stick it.
I feel like it's like because this arm's weaker, that's why like confidence is kind of like,
hey, you got this.
I've been working on is like trying to hold that position too, and like doing like a 90.
Let me see. Ooh, yeah. Hold it. Ooh, now let it dangle a little bit.
Dangle. Okay.
You dangle when there's two hands. So it's like boom, boom, set. Okay.
Dangle. Okay.
Dangle. Set. Hold. Ooh. In the words of aerodynamic, scoop the soup. Your foot is the ladle. You gotta scoop the soup.
Scoop the soup. Okay.
Or no soup for you.
Scoop.
Yeah.
Soup.
No soup for you.
That feel better?
Strong. I was like hesitating because I'm like, am I on the poop?
Oh, wanna scoot over? Okay, so from what I see with yours, Vince, you got a good catch. Right? Even if you do the high one, your catch is strong. We just have to work on it being a little more quick, like not rushing it, but a little more. It looks like there's hesitation, so go for it.
Some more confidence.
Yeah, a more confident one. Even though your push arm, you're saying it's weak, we don't have to be there for a long time.
Yeah,
it's okay. We're just going straight for the catch.
That's another thing I noticed too, is like when I practice form wise, I'll like scoop it, but then I don't throw. But whenever I think throw, I like lose that scoop.
You want to complete the move. Put the arm down, let the hips, legs, everything complete, then air flare.
Okay.
So that's what it's looking like for you. Like there's the completion is like it's almost there. Remember how you said when you did one of those air flares, it kind of just happened? You're like, I kind of felt it. It feels like that. It's like, oh, there. Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm ready. Whip.
Bro. Ooh.
Whip.
You're right. 2 o'clock. Open. Yeah. Cross. Open. Cross. Open. Roll. Woo. Woo. Why'd you do 2?
I don't know.
You wanna roll? What do you think? Tell me about it.
I still feel like I'm
High.
high and forgetting that low whip.
Okay. Usually when people are learning, or for some people who learn air flares, they concentrate on their whip leg a lot, right?
And
which is good too. And then when you concentrate on your whip leg, this one gets neglected. And you notice for you, it helps for the catch. So you just have to learn it in reverse.
Okay.
You have the catch leg, awesome. Now we train that power leg. So you said you gotta bring it to your face. Let's try bring it to your face. It's an inside crescent kick, right?
So both legs.
Yeah, it's both legs. So
Okay.
I know when I do my air flares, my right leg is that back leg, your back leg. So wherever the right foot goes, I just trace it with my left. I'm like, right foot goes there, so does the left foot. Face. See, check it out. So I'm gonna exaggerate it and do it like yours. So I'm gonna do my right leg, follow it with my left leg. Follow, and you're keeping it up like that.
Yeah.
Right?
That looks like me.
But once I put this left leg down, it'll pull me down. It's like, right leg cool, left leg cool.
Oh. Hold up.
Yes! Ah! Keep that arm strong, That hurt. Go. You're like, I'm gonna fall. Just air flare then.
Just don't fall, just air flare.
Yeah, instead of falling, air flare. You got this, go Mr. Vince. Come on, he can do this. Come on, guys.
We gravitated towards the poop again.
I think we did. Right, left. Boom, open. Yes! It looks like you understand that right left leg thing now. So right left, keep this strong. And this right arm is your counterweight, so you don't have to bring it over yet. So when I say open the chest, doesn't exactly mean this. It means that you're trying to hold this handstand position, right? Right, left, open your chest. Because that's the window. I'm trying to put my back on the floor, but it won't reach. See, it's like it won't reach. And see, this hand is over here for balance still. And because it won't reach, I'm gonna put that one down. Ooh.
Did I kick down?
Yeah.
I did? Okay.
Alright, left. Ooh. Here's a trick that we've been using all the time in Uncomfortably Fresh. It's easy. It's easy. Say it.
Oh, it's easy.
It's easy. It's easy. It's just an air flare.
It's easy like life, right?
It's easy. Yeah, exactly. Easy like life. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Ah! Okay, it's not that easy.
Wait, you're trying too hard. You're trying too hard.
Oh yeah,
Easy.
I forgot that it's so easy. So
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy.
it's also a little itchy.
It's also itchy. Easy.
I think it's because I'm not top rocking right.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. Good. Left leg again. Boom, boom. Yes! Woo! Okay.
Kick my face.
You know where to? Yes! You did the scoop. You did the scoop. So you kicked it when you had both hands. That was the best time to probably do it, right?
Yeah.
You scooped. Do it again. Let me see. Scoop!
Did I scoop?
Yeah, you scoop. So you're going, boom, kick me to your face. That's awesome. There's no extension on that run, right?
Right.
It's just, boom, no extension. Here you add the extension by letting it rip to your face and over there. Like I'm just shooting it to the sky, all the way over there. Oh, sure.
There's no ripping there.
No ripping. I think you might need to rest.
Maybe. Before we run out of the energy, we're gonna go try out this air flare thingy.
Yeah.
That Peter has purchased online. Hopefully this will give me air flares, and we'll see if the G-force is real. We'll see.
Check it out.